Assalamu alaikum. We are starting a brand new Tajweed chapter. This time, it's all about the Meem Saakinah. Yes, the simple little letter Meem has an entire rule set in the Qur'an. It's a light, gentle rule and super easy, inshallah. Ready? Let's go. What is Meem Saakinah? Meem Saakinah simply means Meem with a sukoon on it. Easy, right? This sukoon can be written clearly above the Meem, like this, or invisible with no marking at all, but it's still a Meem Saakinah. Important note, you need to remember this because we'll use it later. The 3 rules. Meem Saakinah has 3 rules, or you can think of them as 3 laws. Each law depends on the letter that comes after the Meem Saakinah. The 3 are Ikhfa, Idgham, and Ithhar. If you remember our chapter on Noon Sakin and Tanween, these names should ring a bell. If you haven't seen the chapter yet, I recommend watching it. But don't worry, I'll still explain everything here. Wait! How do we tell them apart? Here is an important question. If 2 Tajweed rules have the same name, how do we know which one we are talking about? Let me tell you. But first, you need to know 2 important things about the Meem Saakinah. First, it's sifa. Second, it's makhraj. Well, let's explain one by one. What does sifa means? Sifa means characteristic. And the sifa of the Meem, and the Meem is one of the ghunna letters, along with noon. Remember, ghunna is nasal sound. If you pinch your nose, you cannot pronounce Meem. Go ahead, try it. See? Impossible. Second, it's makhraj, the point of articulation, or the origination itself. You pronounce Meem by bringing your lips together. Meem. So the makhraj is the lips. You cannot pronounce Meem without your lips touching. No way. Because of this, whenever we name the Meem rules, we add the word Shafawi, which means related to the lips. So instead of saying just Ikhfa or Ithhar or even Idgham, we say Ikhfa Shafawi, Idgham Shafawi, and Ithhar Shafawi. This tells us that we are talking about the Meem rules, not the Noon rules. This was just the intro about the Meem Saakinah rules. Check the slides in the video description. I have left you important notes there. If you understand this intro well, next 3 videos, Ikhfa Shafawi, Idgham Shafawi, and Ithhar Shafawi, will feel super easy. This is our short and fun lesson for today. I'll see you next time for Ikhfa Shafawi. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum. Don't forget to subscribe.